Today I'm telling you about an exciting crowdfunding project out of France. The company called Cairn wants to bring the so-called Mesa Key to the market, a super low profile mechanical keyboard equipped with our MX ultra low profile switches. That's supposed to offer a high level of customizability. Let's check it out together. When it comes to the Mesa Key, the French manufacturer Cairn is all about customizability. Whether it's software or hardware, they want as much of it as possible to be customizable to your very own liking. As with our model here, for example, a wide variety of patterns and color designs are possible because Cairn will provide you with a link that you can use to communicate your wishes, so you can play around here absolutely freely. You can also make changes at any time thanks to the removable keycaps. In fact, the Mesa Key is entirely open hardware, so the delivery includes all blueprints and diagrams. This means you can change and customize pretty much everything about this keyboard. So you don't like the case material, for example? Then change it. It's simple as that. But for now, let me walk you through the construction of this incredibly flat keyboard. The top plate is made of brushed and anodized aluminum with a soft finish. A small but actually not so unimportant detail, the screws are regular M3 types. So if something should happen to the keyboard, you can unscrew it yourself and don't have to buy any special tools. Cairn also uses biodegradable plastic for the case, which houses the PCB. This means that we can also check the box for sustainability. By the way, the PCB also features a connector for inserting it into Cairn's planned modular laptop later on. The keyboard is finished off with a stainless steel base plate, which is also equipped with magnets to keep it in place when used inside the laptop. If you want to type at a slightly more angled position on the Mesa Key, you can attach the pebble-shaped magnetic feet to tilt the keyboard slightly at the rear. Speaking of the back, it connects to the PC via a detachable sleeved cable that matches your color scheme. By the way, the Mesa Key will not only be available in the standard ISO key layout, but also in an orthogonal layout, where the keys are arranged in straight rows and columns. However, it also depends on the demand here, as you can surely understand. In general, Cairn has implemented small but fine details. For example, the plus, minus and the enter key are all the same size to reduce accidental typos and make your life much easier. The function key works like the caps lock key to let you use the extra functions more comfortably without holding down the function key. It should also be possible to flexibly program 9 buttons via the QMK configurator. This feature will be worked on by Cairn after the end of the crowdfunding campaign. The extremely flat design of the Mesa Key is only possible thanks to our MX Ultra Low Profile switches. This is our thinnest mechanical switch to date, with a height of just 3.5 mm, making it ideal for laptops. But Cairn thought, why not install the switch in desktop keyboards as well? And we believe that this matches really well. Our MX Ultra Low Profile actuates after only 0.8 mm and offers an ergonomic overtravel of 1 mm in total. The switching characteristic is tactile with an audible click. Of course, a gold cross-point contact specially developed for the MX Ultra Low Profile is also implemented, for which our MX standard switches are already so renowned. And as usual, the manufacturing is done 100% in our German factory. On top of that, permanent and strict tests as well as complete product control take place in-house to guarantee the highest reliability and precision. So all in all, we here at Cherry are really excited about the Made in France implementation and can hardly wait for the final product. Because at the time of this video shoot, the crowdfunding project goal has been reached and the first keyboards are likely to ship soon. If you want more details on the Cairn Mesa Key and our MX Ultra Low Profile switches, check out the links in our video description. Before I say goodbye, I would like to know from you guys, what do you think about low-profile mechanical keyboards? Just drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until then, take care.